Greetings, everyone. This is the Indico 2021 presentation. Hello, my name is Ose Calhoun, and I'm currently a student at NOVA.
Hello, I am Lee Rasmussen, and I'm an upcoming senior at Czech.
Hello, my name is Elijah Butts, and I'm an upcoming senior at Wilson High School.
Hello, my name is Patrick Donnelly. I am an incoming freshman at Virginia Tech.
Hi, my name is Zakia Wilson, and I'm an incoming freshman at George Mason University. As for our internship, we all interned for Indico. Indico is a company that helps improve existing companies as well as use technology and small investments so those companies can endure greatness in the near future.
The clients of our project, Skateistan, are an international NGO that works to provide less fortunate children in Afghanistan, Cambodia, and South Africa with education through skateboarding. Their programs combine life skills with fun, freedom, and creativity to help underprivileged youth thrive.
The goal of our job was to create a web application that Skateistan could use in order to simplify processes that they've already been using. So in order to do this, in order to create this web application, we needed the front end and the back end for both a request side and an accept side. In order to create the front end, we used HTML and Bootstrap. And in order to create the back end, we used Java and Spring Boot. And in order to ensure efficiency, we had split into two groups, and every Wednesday, our two groups would display what we had worked on from the previous week.
The requester side, our main goal was to create a table that can show and display all pending and past purchase requests that have been made, and also a form that can submit purchase requests to the approver side. And our goal is just to make this as efficient and smooth as possible. But the table was displayed using the Bootstrap framework and Mustache as the support for HTML to create objects out of all the inputs of the form so that the requesters can see everything that they have submitted and everything they are waiting on, while the form saves the inputs using Java and Spring Boot to store them inside of the H2 database so that they can be called and read at any point in the coding process, such as to display the table.
The acceptor's main goal was to create an effective and useful page that made it easier for users to manage and accept purchase requests sent by the requesters. We spent a lot of time in the wireframing stage just designing the way it looked and how it worked. And once we made it to coding, we had to get used to using HTML and containers, textures, buttons, along with how that works in Java with controllers in order to recreate what we had created in the wireframing process. Personally, my biggest challenge was figuring out how HTML and Java work together and just learning HTML in the first place since I'd never used it before.
The biggest obstacle that I had was ensuring that what we showed the client during our weekly meeting would be the final iteration of it.
The biggest obstacle I faced in this internship was learning Java and Spring Boot. I had practically no previous experience in Java or Spring Boot, so I struggled with coding the backend of our application.
My biggest struggle was learning Spring Boot as it is used for every part of the backend and getting it all to function properly to save all of the data.
My biggest obstacle was learning HTML because it's a coding language I have no experience in. My future plan is to graduate from George Mason and become a computer engineer. My time at Indico has not only prepared me for my future career, but it's also prepared me for my upcoming programming class.
I plan to graduate from NOVA and then pursue a cybersecurity job, cybersecurity career. And interning at Indy has shown me the vast amount of jobs and the vast amount of things software development can lead to.
In the future, I plan on obtaining a bachelor's degree in computer science and then finding employment as a software developer. My participation in the Indico internship will be a valuable experience for both my college classes and for my future career in the software development field.
I plan to major in computer science or possibly UX design. My experience here at Indico has showed me how code links the two together and how many uses it has in different industries.
My future plans are to graduate from Virginia Tech with a computer science degree and then go into the computer science field. And the Indico internship has just reaffirmed my belief that I want to do computer science, as well as broadened my knowledge on coding and the different languages and their uses. Thank you all for your attention.